One slice of the bread cut into small tender sticks. 2 eggs are now ready
for this morning's quick fix.
We add the fresh spring onion
and pepper from the mill.
The grated cheese is waiting. We whisk it to our fill.
The butter in the hot pan, the bread begins to toast.
We pour the egg creation, the thing we love the most.
The heat begins to set it, it's firming up just right.
One gentle flip is needed beneath the morning light.
We spread the taste of tomato
across the golden top.